First, remove the bolts from the back of the digital readout. Now, take off the screw from the battery case and remove the used pair of AA batteries. Now place the new pair of batteries in the case and put it back inside of the digital readout. Now, to reset your measurements, move the fence all the way to the edge between the blade and the table. In the digital readout, change from millimeters to inches. Then press the Enter key first and quickly push the Set button. Move the fence back to any position you'd like to, adjust using the fine adjustment knobs. Use a tape measure to make sure it matches with the digital readout. And if necessary, you can adjust the height of your fence with the spacers on the rib fence assembly.